Hey people, it's baby Mira here. Welcome back to my channel. So I just left my house and I'm going to meet some Nigerian YouTubers today. Ta-da! So it's actually a YouTube community meeting. So yeah, I think this is the first one of the Nigerian YouTubers organized this. So we are meeting and we are going to be talking about our struggles and how to improve our channel. Yeah, so I'm on the road already. Let's go there. So guys, we are at Father Boy and this is what it looks like. It is a very nice place and they have a lot of Nigerian local dishes, you know. The entrance looks so fine and the decorations are like they are African like, and then the waiters and the waitresses are dressed in African attire, you know. It gives you a good feel that you're in Nigeria, you know. So right here are my fellow YouTubers. We are 5 or 6 in number here. Okay guys, say hi to my camera. Hi. Yeah, so we are 5 for now. Yeah. No, plus me. Yeah, like I said before, they have lots of African dishes. So this is their menu and there are lots and lots of foods here. So guys, if you're looking for a place to visit or to take palm wine, yeah, this is one of the things I took here today. So you can stop at Father Boy. This is not a sponsored video, but yeah, I just feel I should let you guys know, you know. Yeah, so they have loads and loads of food and drinks here.
That girl films every, she can film rats, but she films anything. When I watched, I was like, wow, and people are interested in that content because of her.
Loyal subscribers. If you like, just put your shoe. They'll be talking. They will sit and be watching. Because I was in my cousin was like, I don't understand how people wake up in the morning just to watch your video.
Yeah, wake up in the morning and watch it.
I was like, they like
it. It's about the personality. Like, once you get into that relationship.
I think in the beginning your personality will not shine through because they're still very, like, I think I'm in a stage where my personality, but if you watch my old videos and now I'm becoming myself every day. It gets better. You get to a point that even you are brushing your teeth, your personality is
like
shining.
we are good like that.
Yeah, I think so.
No, that is very true.
No, especially when you watch our food videos, you just feel like eating.
Whose food video?
Night video, night food video.
Yeah, okay.
I wanted to
M's
go
video.
out. I wanted to go out and buy suya straight up.
Oh, you mean me?
Straight up.
the one on the road and everything because I was looking juicy. It was like, okay, give me one.
So I'm like,
Leave myself about it now. When I'm going to kill me. Let me just sit around.
and you guys, do you know that like food videos?
I always
They
get
will phone my
scared.
phone.
I think because my estate is at least a little safe. Nobody harasses me, so that's good. Like, do you guys know that food videos are like a hack? Like, if you do food videos, it will blow. Like, food videos are like my highest view. Like, that my midnight is 12K.
Yeah.
I'm just like, what? And I didn't even put any effort in that video. Do you get
It's
it?
only be like Nigerian. I know they have like all these catchy ideas, like what you could do, and then now I realized for Lagos, Nigeria,
Yeah.
anything.
Lagos, Nigeria.
No, but the thing is that it's during Christmas and summer.
Because they are searching it.
Yeah.
Because they're searching
But
it.
Asking if your palm wine is big,
it big?
big jar or something.
It's 1 liter now, like this. The point inside.
Okay.
So all of us can like 3 hours.
So we don't want to mix up.
We don't want to mix drinks.
You want 1 palm wine too. 2 palm wine for us. 3 palm wine. Please, everything should be in that jar. Don't put on the side.
Okay, maybe I want the palm wine too.
4
4
palm
palm
wine,
wine.
4 jars.
I didn't know when this was strong.
What did you say?
Is it your drinking?
But is it cold? Is it cold?
Is it not just this? Is it not just this thing?
Sorry, does the palm wine come with ice? Or just normal palm wine? How much is the palm wine? 1,000.
1,000.
Okay. You don't come to places like that and drink Coke. You can buy Coke outside.
Yes.
Let me sit together in palm wine.
Separate.
Separately.
Mrs. You cheat us.
Exactly.
Yeah, separate. No, one.
No, just bring it one.
You can't get the jam.
If you don't have one. Who's following this reunion, Big Brother?
I do.
I'm following it. Alex, I love that girl, man.
You two are following friends.
I love her.
Oh, because I pressed the bill, that's why you came, right?
Oh, I'll take your number, yes.
So,
Wait, come, I need to log this. Wait, come.
so it's actually working. So I pressed this and he came. Wow.
So you guys, if you press this, see.
What's that stuff on your wrist?
So,
That's nice. Wow, that's nice.
So, you guys, it works.
It worked. Yeah.
So still
So
recording.
the palm wine is
Doesn't
here.
cost us.
When people post more stuff on YouTube.
I already have plenty YouTube videos. But that
Everyone is vlogging, like really.
So we're not going outside.
I think good have not come.
That's one I'm scared of.
No, it's under the shade.
That's okay, I mean. Nobody else is joining us.
Okay guys, this is fresh and chilled palm wine. In Ofada Boy, it's 1,000 naira per liter and it is fresh and nice. So yeah, this is why we are here, so you can see. And that's my asun, you know where it is. So if you want a cheap palm wine, fresh palm wine, so you can come here, and that's it. Yeah. And yeah, Ofada Boy is located at Surulere, so if you are looking for a chilled palm wine, you can come there, you know. Yeah, one more time, this is not a sponsored video, it's just my vlog and letting people know what it is. Yeah.
You guys that sometimes you hate it when you watch it that you shake. Yeah. People that are good on YouTube, they don't shake. And they can be working still. They like you use the same camera. So why am I shaking and you're not shaking?
We have come to the end of the meeting and we are leaving here right now. Yeah, it was awesome coming here. Yeah, it was awesome. Yes guys, thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button and also give me a big thumbs up. See you guys in my next video, and until then, bye.